Jordan and Maddie Nash. We miss you guys, love you, but luckily, the lovely Suzanne, and later on we'll have Caitlin, have stepped in to help us out, and of course, Senor Jack Shudo is helping us out. First up, we have The Takeover Breaks Over by Fall Out Boy.
Come on.
Yeah.
Change, but people don't, and I'll always be waiting in the back room. I'm going
time, we'll be joined by the lovely Caitlin. Give it up. And next we have All the Small Things by Blink-182. You Were Young by The Killers. You don't have to drink